Come outside. Come outside, Radar. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Okay, come on. Bring a toy. Bring a toy. Come on.
No.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Kisses, 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 kisses. Oh, yes.
It's time to love him up, Ma, because he won't bite you. He's so tired.
Oh, little sweetie pie. You look at him, all going along. Are you looking for that chocolate? Are you looking for that chocolate? He's open. Oh, what's there, Sarah?
It's closed.
Okay.
You little stinker butt.
You know what, Radar? Your aunt is coming over today. It looks like he's getting ready to pose for you, Sarah. That is too funny for words. Get it quick.
No, I have it videoed because he's being adorable.
Honest to God, he will.
He's so cute.
He is. He looks like he's posing. Oh, they're like, there's the camera on this. What in the world are you thinking of, little Dougie?
Hi. Yeah, does Mom take videos of you when you take a bath?
Oh, don't bite your own leg.
It itches.
You know, you really learn what a dog does when you're around them.
Making his nails. He's